Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this week's video, we're going to be looking at QR codes and how to generate your own QR codes in Linux. Now, if you don't know what a QR code is, it's these icons here. I'm sure you've seen them on bus stops and cinemas, checkouts and so on, where you scan it with your mobile phone. It takes you to like a website. The program I installed, go into the software manager, was called QTQR. So QTQR. And it says Qt front end for QR code generator and decoder. Now if you type in QR code, you'll see there's loads here in the App Store. There you go, QTQR. There's one called CodeBang, there's a decoder and so on. Once you've installed it, you run the program and this box will appear. Let's make that a bit smaller. Here you've got select data type, and you've got text, URL, bookmark, email, telephone number, SMS and so on. If I press on text and type some text here, you'll see it generate a QR code. You'll see as I'm typing, the QR code changes. Now if you scan that with your mobile phone, it'll scan it and it'll come up with the word subscribe. You click it and it'll go to your search engine and look at the word subscribed or subscribe. You can type in Hello World. And there goes your Hello World. Scan that, it search for the Hello World. Now you could go onto here, contact information, and you can type in your name, telephone number, email address, notes and so on. Get him to scan that. So how do I contact you? Just scan that code, all my details will come up. If I go to URL, I can type in a URL, so www.duckduckgo.com. And there's my QR code. That'll take me to the DuckDuckGo website. And I can save the QR code. Just press on Save QR Code. And on my desktop, I've got a folder that I've created called QR Codes. And I'm going to call it code4.png. And press on Save. And it says QR code successfully saved to home, Jez, desktop, or the location you saved it to. So I can record it later. And I can decode from a file, or I can decode from a webcam. If I go to decode from file, you see here I've got a list of QR codes that I've created. Press on code number 3 and press open. It says QR code contains the following URL address. You can edit. So if you want to open the web page, you can edit, no or yes. If I push yes, it'll take you to my YouTube page. Oh, look at that, 4,600 subscribers. Lovely. And you can scroll down there and look at all my stuff. So there's my Send Hikes on Air test. There's a Linux Wednesday, which is the Pling store. There's a repeater program via the app, and so on. Let's go back to the program. If you go down here, you can change it. Say you wanted an SMS, telephone number, and your message. Now here you've got a thing called pixel size. You can make it bigger, make it smaller. So if I go back to URL, DuckDuckGo, and we can make it bigger. There you go. Make it nice and big. My phone's gone off. 30, and then you've got error correction. Change that from lowest, medium, quite good to the highest. There you go, it's changed now. Let's go to the lowest. Yeah, it's smaller. Go to the highest, it's bigger, and you can change your margin size. So if I make it smaller, we can change it there, so we're going down or up. So let's leave it as it is. And again, I can save that QR code by going save QR code. I'm going to do it as code5.png. Now when you scan QR codes, if you would go onto, say, your web browser and type in QR code and press images, you'll see loads of stuff come up. You want to be careful when you're scanning QR codes, because it could come up with a malicious website. But most of the time the QR codes are absolutely fine. If you go onto, say, see a cinema poster, scan the code, it'll take you to the cinema's website, so you can watch the latest trailer. Or you can, say, you go to Universal, see a poster for Universal, oh, the latest film there's, what's the trailer? Scan the code, click it, and then it will do the trailer. And that was a look at a program called QTQR Code Generator for Linux. So have fun creating yourself some QR codes. And there, you can click on that to code from webcam, up comes webcam, and you can scan the QR code out of a paper or something like that, and it decodes it. If you found the video some use, you know what to do, give it a thumbs up. But if you don't like the video, The other button seems to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Lights Wednesdays. I'll see you in the next video.